4 onions, 2 tomatoes, 4 green chili. Make the paste. 1 cup oil and add paste. 2 spoon ginger garlic paste.
Add it. 1 spoon salt, a quarter turmeric, 1 spoon coriander powder,
Half spoon garam masala powder, chili flakes, half spoon. Cook it for 15 minutes. Put it to the side. 1 kilogram arrabia. Add salt. Rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, wash it. Add oil. Fenugreek seeds. Fry it for a few seconds. Add Arby. A pinch of food color. Fry it for 10 minutes. Add Arby into masala. Fry for 10 minutes. Add 1 glass water. Cook for 20 minutes. Add garam masala. Add roasted cumin. It's ready.